Do you have multiple models that you use in your streams? Are your chat always asking you to switch to another model and you have to move it manually? Are your models spawning in at the wrong places on your screen? Well, I'm Nemi, and today we're going to talk about automating some of these things so that you can focus on streaming instead of these nitty-gritty background details. First things first, you want to make sure that your OBS is connected to your Mix It Up. To do so, make sure you go to Services and scroll down until you see OBS, and you can follow the directions that are listed right here. So in your OBS, click Tools, WebSocket, and then uncheck Enable WebSocket Server, and then just press Connect, and you should see the screen. Once you test the connection, you should see a OBS connection successful. You want to make sure that you have your model set up in the places you want while you normally stream. So I have 3. One is my just chatting, where my model is a little bit bigger. I have a side model for when I'm playing games, and then I have a teeny little model just in case if there's some gameplay that I want chat to see a little bit more of. So you want to make sure that that is all set up before we get to any Mix It Up commands. Boop, we're now in VTube Studio, and once you're in here, you want to go to your expression hotkeys toggles, press the plus button to create a new one. You would name this whatever you want so that you would remember. For hotkey action, press move model, and then pick the space you want your model to be at. Like if I want it specifically right over here, and I press record position, that's the spot my VTuber will move to. So if I just give you an example, and I moved my model over here, and now I want to move to that original spot that we just talked about, I press P, and it will slide over automatically. Just make sure you do this for all of your models and all of the positions you want for stream. Next, you want to go into action groups right over here, and you're going to create a new action group. I'm going to be putting this file in my Discord server under the Mix It Up channel, so make sure you join so you can have access to it. You can also recreate these commands yourself if you would like. So first you want your special identifier, and this name doesn't really matter. What's important is that since it's a special identifier name, you want to make sure that it is something that is unique so that it won't interfere with any of the other special identifiers. So I just made mine VTS, VTube Studio current model. Using this will work for you as well. And then I typed in the exact name of my model. And something that's super important for later is that I made it globally usable, because we will be using this command for other things as well. So once it identifies that your model is on Nemifu, VTube Studio is going to load in Nemifu. I had it wait 1 second because sometimes it can glitch out and like spaz a little bit, so giving it some time is always good. And then we got some conditionals in place. So this is important for having your model spawn in at the places you want it to be. You want to set your value to be $stream current scene, and it's equal to mine is chatting because that is the name of my scene in OBS. I have it on chatting, and so right here I'm saying when I'm on the chatting screen, I want it to be the close-up model, which is this one, the one that's closer to the screen. So I have it as run hotkey, Nemifu, and then the close-up model. So I got that one set, and then the second one that I have here is if my stream scene is either on the scene that is called full screen game or switch, it's going to run the side model, which is my current one. That way, no matter which scene I'm in, I have my model spawn in at the correct place and it doesn't interfere with the gameplay. You're going to do this for all of the models that you're planning to do on stream, as well as all of the positions you want your VTuber to be in. Like for mine, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of my models have all the move action groups here. Once that is all set, you can head to your Twitch points if you'd like your chat to control which model you're going to be using. Create your channel point, and then you could head into edit, and all you have to do is run a command run an action group, and then the name of the action group that you created earlier. So mine is Nemifu move, and then once you're set, you can press save and you're good to go here. Same thing, make sure you did this for all of your models, and we can test it out right here. So I am currently on my chatting screen. So when I press these buttons, it should make my characters a little bit bigger, like earlier. So when I click Cat Nemi, it's gonna boop over. This one takes a little time because it has more textures, but here I am. My chibi one is going to pop up here. This way, your model will not spawn in at random angles because you had the pre-recorded set position already. If y'all haven't noticed already, I'm a big fan of gacha and making my chatters gamble their points away. I also made my model changes into a gacha. So let me show you that here. So if you take a look, I've put a random command. The amount is 1, and I put no duplicates because of course I would be scamming my viewers. And then for each command, it'd be like earlier. So action group and then the move command. So if I press play here, it looks like it's gonna choose, oh, my bald cat model. There you go. Make sure you go to your Twitch channel redeems to set up everything there too. I like to make sure there is a cooldown limit just because chat likes to spam things. And once you're set, it's all ready to go and your chat can go crazy with your models. All right. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next time, I will talk about combining some channel redeems that can be used uniformly among all of your models. See you later. Bye-bye.